morning, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today we're at Spring Creek. It's a tributary that feeds into the South Fork of the Yuba River up here in the Motherlode. It's a beautiful country up here. There's mountain lions, there's black bears, there's all sorts of rodents and critters, tons of bugs and mosquitoes. We're here today looking for gold. Beautiful day. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. Come check it out. Got my sluice box, my Keene A52 sluice box in the water. Got my shovels, my pan, my sifter, my bucket. It's a 3-gallon bucket. It still works though. And look at this. Man, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful day today. Water's flowing pretty good. Sun's shining. Give it about 2 more hours and I'll get the sun right here. Yeah, baby. All right, come over here with me. Check this out. Whoa. Time for the water there. It's like a piece of a cabinet or a door handle or of some sort. We'll take that out. Remember, we want to preserve the river the best we can. The best way we do that is to pack in, pack out. If you pull garbage out of the river, take it back home with you, throw it away, whatever you do with it. If it's an artifact, whatever, take it home with you. We don't like leaving garbage at the creek, the rivers, because it's a beautiful country. We don't want to ruin it. So be mindful of your surroundings and let's clean up after ourselves. I appreciate y'all for doing that. Thank you. All right, take a look at this. Got my sluice box chilling. Let's see what it looks like. I'm looking for all the super fine, all of the flakes that come out of here, all of the placer gold that we can find in this area is what we want. And it's abundant, it's very abundant. So today we're gonna be cleaning this area out. I don't think anybody's cleaned this out in a long time. And when it floods, the water gets up around this area. Water gets up here. And everything washes down, washes around these big rocks, gets stuck behind there, washes over, gets stuck. And then you have pieces of bedrock that are broken. We're gonna be digging right up in this area and getting whatever we can find out of here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Alright, so I'm gonna take this moment here. I just want to reflect. You know, there's nothing better than being at the river, whether it be by yourself or with a friend or family member. But you know, the hustle and bustle of city life and work, all that crazy stuff, trying to get promotions and move up and make more money and setbacks, all that stuff that goes on in life, you know. It's important to come out here and get a little reflection time. So yeah, you can clear your mind, man, and it's very important to do so. If you don't clear your mind, you're gonna be stuck and you ain't gonna be happy, you know. You gotta clear your mind. I mean, look at what I'm looking at. These trees, this water, the sound of the water just moving. So peaceful. You must make time. You must make time for this. You know, and I'm a friendly person. I don't mind meeting up with people and showing them how things go out here and how to find gold, and whether it be camping or fishing or hiking or prospecting. I don't mind. I love to show other people that haven't experienced this. I think it'd be a good thing to do. You know, gives you a little meaning. So yeah, you know, take time out of your life, your busy life. Make sure you relieve that depression that builds up. Coming out here levels it, you know. You're leveled. I'll tell you what, the price of gold ain't nothing better than have a hobby that can make you some money. I'll tell you that much. They say they got mountain lions out here. A fella the other day came across a pair of antlers that still had the brainstem attached to it. It's attached to the spinal cord still, but everything else was missing. He showed me the antlers and told me to be careful. So also, when you're out here, be careful. Make sure you have some sort of protection, whether it be a knife or a machete or a 22 pistol or a 9mm, whatever it may be, man. Always be safe, always be careful, and only use those in last resorts. These animals are just trying to survive, just like we do. Just scare them away. That's what I want to do. I have a shovel. I'll scare them the hell away. Also, get a hat with eyes on the back, you know, or paint some eyes on the back of your hat or something like that. That'll help out. Well, let's get back to it. I'm gonna do this clean out and see how much gold we got. I'll show you. Went back to the old miner's moss. I like the dream mats, but I do love the old-fashioned. I guess old-fashioned would be a carpet. We said that carpet. We use miner's moss. Sluice box, make sure you got expanded metals. Helps catch that fine gold. Very important. Now she's hungry again. She's very hungry. Every day, all day. So I'm very hungry. Alright, I've got it all cleaned up. Let me show you what we found. Too bad. A lot of flour. Nothing too substantial, but you know, it's just about being out here. We'll get it cleaned up at home and we'll take a picture.